Okay, let's take a look at this. What about when we receive? There are these accessories in. One is an accessory rack, then it's yarn screen. And then there's that some wire tubes and a little diamond engraving. This is the regular status of some received accessories. Then let's see how to do it first. Fix the accessory rack. First, you can take a look at the side of the chain. There are 4 holes in total. Put away the corresponding screws. This big hole is facing up. Small hole down, right, like this.
Okay.
So here are 2 bottles. When we received it, I have connected the wire for you. Fix these 2 bottles first. This is a sand bottle. Put it here. Put it in front. And this is a waste sand bottle. We have an elbow here. Look good. Fix it first. And here's a little tube. It is connected to this waste sand bottle. Press and hold both fingers. Hold this place down. Hold him down with 1 finger, then press and hold. Just insert this tube directly into it. The other end is connected to our host location. Directly to the main frame. Just plug it in. If you want to pull it, then you can pull it out. When installing, you can also install it directly like this. Put our pen directly on it. There's a groove here. Just place it directly on it. Can you see it? That's it. Then we need to talk about. This is the nozzle of diamond macro carving. And here's a box of diamond miniatures. This diamond macro engraving, these 3 are all the same size. It's just that his microcrystalline head is different in size. These 3 are spare, more are spare, then according to demand. Select the diameter of the corresponding microcrystalline head, then just put this thread directly on it. Here's a cotton pad. It is used to plug this. A filter head. Stuff it here. Prevent that, dirt from clogging up. So when the time comes, dirt will be sucked directly onto this. Just clean it up then. Then the other end is directly connected to this. The position of this hole in the diamond macro carving. Then this thick end of this place, connected to the hole of the diamond macro carving. Just plug it in with a little force. Make sure it doesn't leak. And then there's another end. Just put this bottom directly on it. You can choose 3 pens to put on it. Or just put 1. Because these are used as a spare pen. Tell me about it. Both of them are connected to this elbow. When you need to use microcrystalline powder to infuse the skin, we will pick up the one that comes out of the bottle of microcrystalline powder. A pipe coming. If you want to borrow diamond macro carving, we're going to unplug this tube. Just replace it with diamond macro engraving. All operations are there. Let's talk about it. How to use this machine normally. So let's start with this. Plug the power cord into that power socket. Then the other end is connected to the socket. And there's a red bulb switch on the front. It controls the power supply, and this one controls the air pressure. This rotation, amplitude, rotates clockwise, and then the higher the exponent. And we can open it up now and take a look. Okay? Adjust according to demand. You can see the barometer turning. There will be a little power shrimp. Usually we will give it away. You can take a look. Is this bottle specially designed to hold particulate sand? You can take a look at it. There's only 1 pole here. Rotate the head above. Just open the lid. You can take a look at the rubber ring here. To keep the sand from leaking out, prevent air leakage. Then according to your needs, pour an appropriate amount of microcrystalline sand into it. We try to mix it a little bit. This one, there is a hole at the low end inside. Then close the lid. Make sure to elbow it tight. Okay, let me take a look. Take this pen out. Take a look at this. It's inflated now. You can feel it. Can be sucked out. Let's turn the airflow to the maximum first. You can take a look at this skin. You can see it. There's already sand rubbing against the skin. Okay, continue and we can clearly see it. Is there sand out now? Because I packed more sand. The entire sand bottle can be seen from this position. Once I leave the surface of my skin, it will have a sand out. There is a state of sand in a bottle that is out of sand. You see my sand bottle, one of the two bottles starts. When it fits my skin, you see that bottle? One goes in and one goes out. This bottle is mainly used to make the second bottle. Is it used to make waste sand bottles? All the sand that passes through the skin goes to the waste sand bottle. That's when we need to use diamond miniatures. Very simple this operation. And we can look at this end. There's an elbow here, right? It's a filter bottle. It's got an elbow, directly with my fingers. The black plastic one, the tube can be pulled out after the plastic sheet is pressed. Then this tube is micro-carved with diamonds. Connect to this. Press and insert. Okay, let's take a look. Started in the same way. At that moment, this diamond microscope shop, it's a state of suction. Can you see it? To adjust the intensity through this knob air pressure. Can you take a look? The bottom is sucked out. This whole device, be sure to add it to this cotton pad. During the operation, cotton pads and microcrystalline sand are both consumables.